Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome back to Hawaiian Nights. My name is Barry Flanagan. This is Kili'i Kaniali'i, or known as Hapa. We'd like to play a song for you right now off of our CD. It's the opening track. A song that was written with the help of a Hawaiian language instructor whose name is Kiope Raymond. Name of the song is Haleakala Ku Hano Hano, or Haleakala Stands Glorious. And to help us start the song is our good friend Mr. Charles Ka'upu to perform a chant.
O a kea kai kolua mea opa, opa hanau moku kawahine, hanau teiti ku teiti moe, hanau kea panui, hanau kea pani, hanau hawa I he motu makahia po iana wahine. O a kea laua o kane opa o alinu kawahine, ho o kauhua papai ka moku, ho iloli a maui, hanau maui loi, hanau iai te alolani, heu ilani hei ka palau mai vai.